with me, learning letters happily. Clap your hands, tap your feet, alphabet is such a treat. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on the street. C is for cat who says meow meow. D is for dog wagging tail right now. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish swimming all day long. G is for guitar, strum a happy song. Come on kids, let's sing along. A, B, C, sing with me, learning letters happily. Clap your hands, tap your feet, alphabet is such a treat. H is for hat you wear on your head. I is for ice cream, yummy cold and spread. J is for jump, we go up high. K is for kite flying in the sky. L is for lion with a mighty roar. M is for moon shining evermore. Learning ABCs is fun. ABC, sing with me, learning letters happily. Clap your hands, tap your feet, alphabet is such a treat. N is for nest where little birds stay. O is for orange, bright every day. P is for penguin sliding on the ice. Q is for queen, regal and nice. R is for rainbow, colors that shine. S is for fish, swimming all day long. T is for turtle, slow as can be. Learning letters is easy with me. A, B, C, sing with me, learning letters happily. Clap your hands, tap your feet, alphabet is such a treat. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. V is for violin, let the music play. W is for whale swimming in the sea. X is for xylophone, play along with me. Y is for yo-yo, spinning up and down. Z is for zebra with stripes all around. Now we've sung from A to Z, you'll learn the alphabet with me. A, B, C, now we're done. Letters, learning, so much fun. Sing it loud, sing with glee, we love the alphabet.
If you would love to learn how to build your own amazing AI videos just like this one, join me in the next video lecture and let's get started immediately.